Pioneer oscilloscope. This model number. This is what's the unit doing. It's signal in, and should be like this one. Okay, what's inside? It's so old. Like this cap, this also these caps supposed to be gold. This one like 2. This is maybe 2. Depends. We can test it later. And on the bottom here too. Like this, guys. This guys. It's plenty job. And this kind of part I don't carry. It's 2000 volt. This is high voltage. Well, and it's, you can see it's made in Japan, everything. Okay. They have a little tube here. It's okay.